Hello, in front of me I've got TP-LINK TAPO. In this video I'll show you how to set up the camera. In the beginning, from the Play Store, download TP-LINK TAPO app. Install it. Open. Continue. Now create TP-LINK ID or login. Now that you've logged into your TP-LINK account, tap plus in the top right corner, add device, select TAPO and outdoor camera, and select your camera. This one is C520WS. Now, using the barcode right here, select the version of the camera. This one is V1X. Now you can connect it via cable to the internet or wireless. Now connect to your camera Wi-Fi. Now select Wi-Fi for your camera. Name your device. Select room for the device. Icon. Skip. Got it. And it's done. Your device has been set up. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.